Today I'm going to review another espresso machine. Brand sent me to make a video for you guys. This is really nice, very cool looking. It has this black on the top and silver on the bottom, so it looks really nice, fancy looking. So the only thing is with this unit, once you turn it on, it just takes about 2 minutes to get ready for the preheating to complete. So that is the major thing I see. So once you press this, you will see it will take, if it's not preheated already, you will see that it will take 2 minutes. So this is really nice, customizable. It gives you a lot of options to customize. You have the first like one like single shot and double shot, and you can customize the extraction of the grind by holding this. As you keep holding and letting it go, it will remember that settings, and every single time then you press, whatever the amount of second you kept, it will grind based on that. And similarly, same thing for the extraction, you will get the same thing. If you press and hold, it will give you the customization as soon as you get the desired level. If you are using scale, you can just check with it and let it go. After that, it will remember your settings. So on the side, it has this knob which allows you to use the steaming option. Once you press the steam, it will allow it to preheat the steam and then give you the steam. If you don't press that and still turn the knob, you can see there is water icon here. It will produce hot water as well. It comes with this nice filter. You can see this is a 58 millimeter filter basket. So you get two of them. You have a single shot and double shot as on this one, and you have this filter cover that allow you to just push it inside and grind the coffee and don't make a mess. So let's go ahead and grind. So you can see it started from 11 seconds. Based on your settings, whatever the size as well over here, you can customize this. You can easily change the grinding size. You can see very easy to read what number you are on, so that's an option. So once you are ready, you can see you would just have this, and I'm using another tool to just distribute everything evenly. So, and you have this nice weight on this temper, and it looks really nice, ergonomic. And once you are ready, you would just temp your coffee filter just like this and get something smooth and very easy to just plug it in. It has this nice downward angle. It allows you to easily, you can see, very easy smooth operation. You just lock it and it just sits there. So you have this option over here. This is removable. You can remove this in case you are using like single shot or small espresso shot cups. You can easily place it here, or if you are using something larger like this one, you can easily remove and place it in here. So let's go ahead and press. So you can see it shows it's going to extract 68 milliliter, and you will see the how many bars you get from here. So I didn't pay attention the grinding size, but it seems a little bit fast. So, but you can still see it's doing pretty okay job, even though it's a little bit slow. So once you are ready, you can see that's your coffee, and even though it was a little bit fast, you can see it has nice layer of foam, and you can see. And let's go ahead and make the milk. You have this container, it comes with it, and inside it has measurements. You can easily look. So let's go ahead and make the milk. I'm not really good at making the foam with the uh, design and those stuff. So you have the option, the steamer comes around, you can easily move, you can do a bunch of things. So once you are ready, you can just place it in, or before that actually we need to make sure that it is ready. We just press and we will see that it is preheating, and once it's ready it will show ready, and then we will be able to turn the knob. So it does pretty quick, around like 10 seconds or so. It will heat up and it is ready, so we can do that. So right now if I just turn the knob, I will get the steam, and on the screen it will show up as well. It is pretty powerful, it gives a lot of steam. So once you are ready you can turn it off, and in order to clean it up you just take your napkin or your cleaning stuff and you can purge it. Same thing, you can see it is really powerful. Look at that, it just throws a lot of steam. So over here we have the milk, and, and looks pretty nice, decent. I'm not really, as I mentioned, good at making the art, but overall you can see it is able to make decent latte. You can make cappuccino however you like, but this is how it looks. And once you get the grinding settings accurate after a couple of try, it provides really consistent extraction. I hope you guys found this useful. Thank you for watching.